everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my box braids. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching.
So I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed and conditioned in the shower. I also detangled. My hair has absolutely no product in it. So this is the third time I'm ever doing box braids in my hair. The first 2 times it came out janky. My hair was really stiff, so I'm hoping 3 times the charm. I'm just going to be using a leave-in conditioning spray. This one's from Pantene Pro V. If you're going to be using a heat protectant spray, now's your time to spray it in your hair. I just couldn't find mine, so I'm just going to use it without it. Before blow drying my hair, I just sprayed a little bit of water on it because my hair dried super quick and I didn't want to blow dry it like that. It needed to be a little bit moist. Also, when my hair dries, it's super hard to detangle. So I just changed my shirt so that way you guys were able to see my hair better. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to each section. I'm just gonna blow dry the rest of my hair and I'll come back when I'm finished. So this is how my hair looks completely blow dried. Now I'm just gonna start my parting so I can get ready for the box braids. I haven't put any heat in my hair for almost a year now, and my hair got super long. So the hair I'm going to be using today is by Free Trust. It's their Clean Therapy Pre-Stretched Hair, and I'm using 4 packs. So I'm just going to add a little bit of gel to my roots. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain it the best way I know how. I took the braiding hair and I put it over my natural hair, and then I just wrapped it around. And then I just proceeded to do an actual braid. So then I took the 2 braiding hairs and I just braided it in with my natural hair, if that makes any sense. So now you're going to feed in the hair. You're going to take the hair and you're going to attach it to 2 of the strands that you were originally braiding. And now you're just going to continue braiding as if you never stopped, if that makes any sense. So now I'm just adding a little gel to my roots, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing to this braid. how my hair is looking so far. I'm going to come back when I'm completely finished.
One eternity later.
So this is how my hair came out. This is actually the next day. My hair took me about 6 to 7 hours to finish. I really love how my hair came out, and it's such a great protective style, especially for the summertime. So this is the length I did my box braids. I made them super long.
Okay guys, so we got to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, so that way when I post a new video, you guys can get notified. Until next time, bye.